welcome to everybody. First of all, thank you, Ashokji, for hosting this lovely webinar where you have given us a chance to present Biggie's Burger to all the participants. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the show. My name is Mangal Goswami. I'm founder of Franchise. Franchise Seek is a company where we help aspiring entrepreneurs to find profitable franchise businesses. We're a Mumbai-based company and we do a lot of research. We do our due diligence before presenting a brand to candidates like you who are looking out for business. Uh, After our extensive research and due diligence, we introduce you one of our profitable franchise business, that is Biggie's Burger. So Biggie's Burger, also known as Pioneer of Grilled Burgers, is a Bangalore-based company founded in 2011, currently present in 11 states with more than 50 plus outlets running successfully. So we have Mr. Sandeep Satpathy. He's the co-founder of Biggie's Burger. And Sandeep will present us what exactly Biggie's Burger is and how the company helps and supports the franchisee to achieve the break-even. Over to you, Sandeep.
Thanks a lot, Mangalji, for such a great introduction. And thank you, Ashokji, for helping us find right people at the right time. And so to start with our brand, we are a brand who established ourselves in the year 2011 with a motto to serve a different kind of concept and a different kind of burger to people, which at that time was literally not available in the market. So back in 2011, if you see, most of the national and international brands were particularly into a kind of fried burger segment, wherein at that point of time, we thought a different concept and we introduced the first baked beamer concept in India. And from there, our journey started. So to tell you a brief about our brand, so at present, we are roughly around with 50 plus outlets pan India. And the journey throughout this decade has been really, really inspiring for us. So now coming to the segments which we provide is completely into grilled segment, and the burgers which we sell are completely grilled burgers. So in the year 2011, when we started, we had a very humble start. We started with a 50 square feet of kiosk, one which we set up in Electronic City, Bangalore. And the second one, we simultaneously started in Odisha, that is in Bhubaneswar, Kit Road. So with 50 square feet of kiosk, what we introduced, as I said, that it was a complete baked beamer concept. And from there on till date, we have been expanding. And as I said, we have around 50 plus outlets as of now. So from 2011 to 2016 was a complete R&D period for us. And we were completely into building up the SOP so that when we started the first franchising in 2016, the franchisee never had to do the extra expense which generally a company should incur. So these 5 years were completely devoted to build up the SOP, to build up the product segment, to strengthen the entire ecosystem of the franchising of Biggie's Burger. So our first franchisee started in the year 2016, and it was again in Bhubaneswar. And till date, we have around 7 plus master franchisees and 52 franchisees. So this is the concept, and this is the trust which we have earned through people. Mangaji, if you can pass on to the next slide. Hello. Yeah. So this is Biggie's for us, and why people would like to trust us is first, as I said, that we started in the year 2011. So we do have a decade-long experience of complete SOP, R&D, and the service which we have provided to the customers and the franchisees. So at present, we have roughly around more than 3 million patents that have already been served with a complete advanced smart kitchen facility which we have already developed in terms of automation, wherein if you see our like kitchens, those are completely automated as of now with complete automated fryers and grillers. And like the R&D which we have been doing throughout, that has always helped us scale, like in terms of, be it in terms of grilled burger segment or be it in terms of shakes or wings that we have curated, that is completely different, which is not available in the market apart from us. Apart from that, we do already are into complete hygiene and high quality products, which has always proved us, like helped us prove to a different level in the market, and which has always helped us score more than 4-star rating pan India. And as like the COVID, which has already taken a hit with everyone, and despite of that, as we have a very different aspect of revenue, which is generally termed as the online and the offline, which is basically into a omni-channel like source of revenue, wherein we do have like online aggregators attached to us. Apart from that, we have dining and takeaway. And now coming to the like aspect of ROI, which is generally a basic investor's demand, we have achieved the ROI as short as 9 months, and the average ROI period of ours is roughly around like 24 to 28 months, which obviously has always helped the franchisees to go for a second and third franchisees, like in terms of repeat franchisees for us. Only like if you can please go to the different slides. Yeah. Now coming to the product design, if you see like our product is a complete circle, like the product is completely into health-based product. As I said that in the initial stage also, that we were completely focused into grilled and baked segment, which is generally not associated with like fast food restaurant, but we have deeply concentrated into that, and we have come out with products which has comparatively in terms of health and hygiene has always helped us. So we have already introduced the keto burger segment. We have already are into the plant-based meat, which has always helped us in terms of generating high protein and low calorie products. We are into multigrains, and definitely the value segment has always helped us scale up the entire thing. With definitely we do have line like 150 plus products which are already designed and has been lined up to to cater the entire segment, like be it into different demographic locations, be it into anywhere in India. We have always helped people to attract the taste palette of different region of India. So that is where we come from, and that is how the success ratio has helped us. Now coming to the R&D, as I said that we are deeply into R&D, and the like the products which we have developed, like we generally do not go for products which is readily available in the market. That takes us the deep depth into the R&D, which has always generated the best products in the market. So that is how we have curated ourselves, and we have been achieving a decent feedback from all the customers. So the product has always been our strength, which has helped us achieve like more than 4-star rating across India. And if you see any of our stores, like even a new store that has started has always gained more than 4.2, 4.3-star rating within next 3 to 4 months. So this is the strength of the product. The SOP has always been at par, and we have always focused on the SOP, which ensures that the quality and hygiene level is always at the optimum level in all the stores. And like as we can proudly say that yes, we do have a best burger tag in 6 out of 13 cities where we are present. And if you search in Google also, if you search like best burgers in these cities, you will always find Biggie's Burger at the top of the niche level. And now coming to the physical presence, as we have already like 52 plus stores in India, spread across 11 states. We are situated right from South India to Eastern India. We have already covered the Western, and now we are coming up in Gujarat, and very soon we will be launching in Rajasthan as well. So as I said that like apart from Biggie's, there are hardly any national players who are into grilled burger segment. So that is the reason we proudly associate ourselves with the market. We tag ourselves as the pioneer of grilled burgers, Reason being, we have actually curated the products which have like attracted people, and that has been our USP till date. Yeah, Mangalji, like, hello.
Yes, Sandeep ji, please.
Yeah. So this is the pan India presence which I was talking about. Like we are situated in all these states, and we will very soon be entering the Rajasthan market as well. So our main motto is to be present in almost all the states of India by 2022. This is our target. Like we want to be 100 plus stores by March 2022. This definitely with repeat franchisees and people who trust us, and they can invest the money into Biggie's Burger with an assurance that yes, Biggie's Burger has always given the best to the franchisees, and they've helped each and every franchisee grow. So this is the motto. This is what we are. These like if you see this like how the stores. This you can see in Bangalore. This is in Ishwar, and these are the stores. Generally, and like this is quite visible over here. Mangalji,
Yes, Sandeep ji, please continue.
yeah, can you please move on to the next slide?
Mangal ji, please, next slide. Yes, sir. Thank you.
So now coming to the product, we have a variety of products as I was talking about, like the grill. We would mainly focus on the grilled products. So these are the signature products which we also term it as a global gourmet. Like the lamb burger, this is the USP and the hottest selling item of ours. And apart from that, in veg, if you see, this looks like a chicken burger, but this is a complete plant-based burger, which we term it as impossible. And apart from that, we do have other varieties of burgers as well, like in terms of mushroom, and like there are like chicken burgers and mutton burgers as well. And now, like coming to other stuff, like we do have a lot of slides in terms of like French fries, grills, and all. So we have a vast menu to cover. So which we can definitely share the details like post this. Mangalji, like can you please shift to the different slide? So now coming to the ratings, these are the stores which I was talking about. Like we have like ratings which are 4 plus. Like almost all the stores does carry these kind of ratings, and this is how we have been like. This is our journey so far with a decent rating of 4 plus stars. Yeah, Mangalji, like, so now coming to the alliance part, like we do have like a lot of alliance with like companies such as like Hindustan Petroleum. We are coming up like in Shulyagiri with our first kiosk model. That is a tie-up with Hindustan Petroleum, and apart from that, we do have a tie-up with Shell, and there are a lot of other brands also like where we have associated with them, and we have got decent feedbacks from like all these national level brands. We have been like crowd puller too in these like concepts wherein like there were a lot of kiosks, and we have been into the like targeted audience, like the audience who have been into the like the that also we have done. So this is how like we have presented ourselves till date. We have been into front page advertisements, like we have been covered up by a lot of media houses also, which have helped us grow and which have helped us like targeting the audience as well. Yeah, Mangalji, any questions from anyone till date?
No, till now we don't have any questions, but definitely we'll have it. We'll have a question answer session after the presentation.
Okay. So now coming to the capex which is required for Biggie's Burger is like we do operate by.
I'm so sorry.
believe-
1 minute. Sorry. Just give me a sec, please.
Yeah. So now coming to the capex, like we operate through two different models. One is the express model and the other is the capex and other is the cafe model. So area required for the express model is roughly around 400 square feet of area, which we term it as a kind of a kiosk, like in the mall, and in the high street we term it as express. So the second one is cafe, wherein the area required is around 700 square feet. So total investment required for an express model is roughly around 19 to 22 lakhs, and which caters a franchise fees of 6 lakhs rupees, and the entire breakup is over here. And apart from that, in cafe, that the investment required is around 25 to 27 lakhs, and the investment is the entire breakup is there over here. So why Biggie is over here? We can very easily compare. Like if you see the returns, these are the brands like there are a lot of national and international level brands as well. So if you see the national, international brands such as McD or be it like Subway or be it Pizza Hut, if you see the comparison of the investment and the returns, it is very easily comparable. For example, like let's say Subway, which attracts an investment of around like 60 lakhs, the ROI period is 3 years, and the sales per day is roughly around 0.3 lakhs. Wherein if in Biggie's Burger, if a person is investing roughly around 25 to 30 lakhs, the ROI period which is curated is just 2 years, and the sales which we generally achieve is roughly around 30 to 35,000 a day. So this is the reason like why we call ourselves the like like Indian brand with a industry with a minimum capex and with a high return. So this is how like Biggie's has always been into the game, and we have till date we have generated decent like traction among people, and we are growing. So this is how like the investment and the brand comparison starts, and like it is very easily comparable as well, because we have the figures which we have like taken from the brands, and this is right in front of you. So it's a very easy comparison, like why Biggie's and why people trust us actually.
Yeah, Sandeep. So I've already loaded the next slide.
No, like
Hello.
hello. No, this is a different process. This is a franchise onboarding process.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we look for a like partner like who wants to be a part of Biggie's Burger is like definitely there are roles and responsibilities which is divided between the company and the like franchise partner, because definitely unless and until a partner is involved into the business, the ROI is not that easy. Be it any brand. So we definitely want our partners to be completely involved, because we also get involved into the day-to-day business, and we definitely will expect a person who is investing should at least invest their 4 to 5 hours a day, so that he knows the in and out of the business from day one. So the roles and responsibility has been divided between the company and the partner, like franchise partner is like the staff hiring and handling. Is definitely there is a complete support of the brand to hire the initial staff, and the training is provided by the company. So, so this is how like the entire process starts. Like once the franchisee is finalized, there is a staff hiring, which is initially done, as I said, initially done by the brand, and later on it is deployed in the company store, wherein post the training. So technology is obviously curated by the brand, and it is deployed in the franchise stores. Apart from that, like these are the parameters like wherein like which all things are provided by the company and the partner, like the entire packaging solution, the kitchen setup, the accounts and operation part, that definitely a franchisee needs to be involved to understand the business, what is happening in his store. Apart from that, like product and R&D, as I said, we are already into this, and we have been doing this over a decade. So we do have a strong product lineup, and the R&D is obviously done from our side. apart from that, we keep on coming up with, like lot of products. Like we keep on adding 2 to 3 products every 3 to 4 months. So there is a complete supply chain, and there is a NPD section over there, like in our head office, wherein we keep on developing new products, which will definitely keep on engaging customers. So the product and R&D department is taken care by the brand, and the new brand innovation, the new product development is taken care by us. Sales analysis and monthly reports, these are the products, these are the things which are taken care by the brand. But yes, however, we would definitely expect our franchisee partners to get involved into the like sales and the monthly report scenario, because like unless and until a franchisee is involved, he doesn't know what exactly is going on in his store. So apart from that, like marketing planning, online and B2, like the, as I said that we already have a national tie-up with the online aggregators and like direct to customers. For example, there are a lot of brands which have come up which are doing direct delivery. So these things has already been taken care by the brand, and we do have a national tie-up with them as well. Raw material supply, as I said, we have a very strong supply chain management, which will ensure that the product is delivered at your doorstep and you do not have to run behind the product. What a franchisee partner is expected to focus on the store so that the sales increases, and rest thing is taken care by the brand. So this is the roles and responsibilities which we have divided, and we follow it very religiously. So now coming to the team, like Mr. Biraja Raut, who is the founder of Biggie's Burger. Along with that, like we have Mr. Avilash Bellur, like who takes care of the like franchise, like he takes care of the entire supply chain and the operations, and I take care of the like expansion and certain level of operations. So this is the team. We are three, and like we definitely have a have a great support from the franchisees till date, like who have helped us in the expansion, and like we have been growing by God grace. So these are the ratings and the like reviews of customers.